Welcome to you all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math CBSE board. Now in this video I will try to solve the integral in question number 18, that is integral e tan inverse x whole upon 1 plus x squared dx. It's very simple question. We know that the derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Here in the method of substitution we must observe at a glance that whether the derivative of putting the value is included or inherent in the question or not. Now clearly we see that if we put tan inverse x is equal to t, then d dx of tan inverse x or derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Here we put tan inverse x is equal to t. Now derivative of tan inverse x means 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. It means if you substitute this substitution in original integral, e tan inverse x means t and dx upon 1 plus x square. This dx upon 1 plus x square, so this will be equal to dt, et dt. It's quite fundamental well-known form of integral, that is ex dx is equal to ex. Hence the integral of et dt will be et plus c. If we replace the value, we will get e tan inverse x plus c. Well, this is all about this question. Here in the question number 19, that is integral e to x minus 1 whole upon e to x plus 1 dx. Here we see very simply, if you divide ex by ex both in numerator or denominator, we will get integral e to x minus x by dividing ex and minus e minus x. Again u2x dividing by ex, 2x minus x, e 2x minus x plus e minus x by dividing in numerator and denominator by ex. We get e 2x minus x minus e minus x and e 2x minus x plus e minus x. It will become e 2x minus x means e x minus e minus x whole upon e x plus e minus x dx. Now if you put ex plus e minus x, then d dx of this will become the numerator. Now put ex plus e minus x is equal to t. So derivative of ex will be equal to ex and e minus x will be equal to minus e minus x dx will be equal to dt. Here we see very obviously numerator ex minus e minus x dx is equal to dt. Ex minus e minus x into dx is equal to dt. Hence I will be equal to, ये पूरा हो जाएगा ई एक्स माइनस ई माइनस एक्स डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू डी टी एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाई जस्ट टी. नाउ दिस विल डी टी अपॉन टी and very obvious the fundamental formula of integral 1 by x dx is equal to log of x. This will become log t plus c, log t plus c. Now log t means ex plus e minus x, ex plus e minus x plus c. Well, this will be the correct and exact solution of the integral in question number 19. Now in the question number 20 of the same exercise, we have to find out the integral of e power 2x minus e minus 2x whole upon e power 2x plus e minus 2x dx. It's very obvious for substitution. If we put denominator is equal to t, then modified form of numerator will be obtained. Hence we will put e2x plus e minus 2x is equal to t. Now derivative or differentiation of the first function e2x will be equal to e2x and 2x का twice माइनस ये माइनस 2 हो जाएगा, माइनस 2e माइनस 2x dx will be equal to dt. We clearly see that the numerator of the integral, that is e power 2x minus e minus 2x dx, ये just double of the numerator 2e2x minus 2e minus 2x dx is equal to dt. Here very obviously we take, if you take as a common 2, it will be the e2x minus e minus 2x dx will be dt, or e2x minus e minus 2x dx will be half dt. Hence we observe that numerator part of the original integral e2x minus e minus 2x dx will be equal to half dt. Now we simplify the integral. I is equal to half dt upon t, and this is very obviously half dt by t is equal to half log t, half log t plus c. Ultimately we replace the matter of substitution in original form. We will get half log t, t means e2x plus e minus 2x log t. Instead of writing t, we will replace by e2x plus e minus 2x plus c. Well, actually if you belong to Hindi medium of the class, then I may illustrate this matter also in Hindi. आई का इंटीग्रल e का पावर 2x माइनस ई माइनस 2x होल अपॉन ई 2x प्लस ई माइनस 2x dx। अगर आप डिनोमिनेटर हर को ई 2x प्लस ई माइनस 2x बराबर t पुट करते हैं, रिप्लेस करते हैं, तो पुनः इसका डिफ्रेंसिएशन और एंटी डेरिवेटिव ई 2x और जैसे होता है ना डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स एन एक्स एन माइनस 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 ये हो जाएगा 2x का हो जाएगा 2i 2x माइनस इसमें भी माइनस 2 इधर आ जाएगा, e माइनस 2x dx बराबर dt हो जाएगा। इसमें दो उभयनिष्ठ है, दो उभयनिष्ठ कर लेंगे तो e का पावर 2x माइनस e का पावर माइनस 2x dx इज इक्वल टू dt। पुनः इसको हम एग्जैक्टली न्यूमरेटर के रूप में रख लेंगे, यानी एग्जैक्टली न्यूमरेटर e का पावर 2x माइनस e का पावर माइनस 2x dx हाफ dt हो जाएगा। तो ओरिजिनल इंटीग्रल हो जाएगा हमारा हाफ dt बाई टी मीन्स log t, तो हाफ log t प्लस c। इसको हम इस रूप में भी लिख सकते हैं कि हाफ को अगर हटा दें तो log रूट t कर सकते हैं, log रूट t भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे भी एज यू लाइक। दिस विल बिकम 1/2 log कोष्टक में e का पावर 2x प्लस e का पावर माइनस 2x प्लस c। हियर in question number 21 we write the integral tan square 2x minus 3 into dx. As you know already that there is no direct formula of tan square x into dx, hence we will convert this function in terms of tan inverse tan square x in terms of sec square x, because you already know the antiderivative or integral of sec square x is equal to tan x. So I will convert this function in terms of tan square 2x minus 3 in sec square x, because you know 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, or 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. It means tan square x is equal to 1 minus sec square x. Hence, on the ground of this conversion, we may convert integral very easily. 1 minus 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So tan square x will be equal to sec square minus 1. Sorry, tan 2x minus 3 into sec square, because you know 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Hence tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Now this integral will be converted in the form of sec square x, that is sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1. This will become I is equal to sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1. Now this is the well-known transformation within the integral, that integral sec square x will be equal to tan x. Integral sec square x will be equal to tan x. If you want to substitute this into t, you also may convert this. Put 2x minus 3 is equal to t. 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Then 2 dx minus 0 is equal to dt. 2 dx minus 0 is equal to dt, or dx is equal to dt by 2. Now we will again write integral I is equal to sec square, this will become t, and minus 1, और dx here, sorry यहाँ dx लिख देना चाहिए, dx, तो dx will be dt by 2, dt by 2, 1/2. So if we split this integral into two parts, this will be clearly half sec square t minus half integral dt. Half sec square t means tan t minus t, ये दोनों हाफ यहाँ कॉमन ले लेंगे, 1/2 tan t minus t plus c, और this will be equal to half within the bracket tan t means 2x minus 3 minus tan t minus, actually we have misused this. Actually we have written this in terms of t, but it is very clear it will be minus dx. So it will be this minus dx. This become partially. तो sec square t 1/2 sec square t, और ये हो जाएगा माइनस dx. तो हाफ tan t, again this will be equal to minus of dx. This will be half sec square t इंटीग्रल, ये dt है, माइनस sec square t dt will be equal to tan t और यहाँ हो जाएगा माइनस x प्लस c. It will be equal to half tan t. T means 2x minus 3 minus x plus c. Well, this is all. Now in question number 22, integral I is equal to sec square 7 minus 4x dx. Here in this question it is very quite clear that it is of the form of integral sec square x, that will be become tan x. For the simplicity, if we want to put 7 minus 4x is equal to t, then put 7 minus 4x is equal to t, then 0 minus 4x dx will be equal to dt, or x dx will be equal to minus 1/4 dt. Now this integral will be equal to sec square, this will become t sec square t dt, और dt है minus 1/4, इधर बाहर कॉमन ले लेंगे, minus 1/4 sec square t dt, और क्वाइट क्लियर minus 1/4 sec square t का हो जाएगा tan square t plus c. Now if we replace the value 1/4 tan square t means 7 minus 4x, and this is plus c. Now this will be the requisite sec integral of sec square t will be equal to only tan t. Now replace this 1/4 tan t plus c, 1/4 tan 7 minus 4x plus c. Now in the next question 23rd, integral I is equal to sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square dx. It's very obvious that if we put sin inverse x is equal to t, put sin inverse x is equal to t, then d dx of sin inverse x will be dt, and you know already that d dx of sine inverse x or derivative of sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx and equal to dt. So here we see dx upon under root 1 minus x square, dx upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to dt. Now integral will be equal to I sine inverse x को we clearly write as t, or this will become dt. Very easy. Integral t dt will be equal to t square by 2, because this is of the form of integral xn, and integral xn will be equal to xn plus 1 upon n plus 1 and c. Now you replace the value. T square means sine inverse x whole square plus c. This will be the requisite answer. Thank you for watching Kanha math classes for 12th math concerning to CBSE board. If you have any comment, then write down in comment box and subscribe the video. Thanks.